Good morning, estimate judges. We are Tim Universitas Mercubuana. Imagine an institution managing over 34.2 million ultra micro borrowers, yet facing a critical bottleneck, the finite bandwidth of their frontline heroes, the mentors. These are not just statistics, these are 34.2 million families whose livelihoods depend on the efficiency of the mentors on the ground. How can BSE scale its operation with high precision without overwhelming its staff? Today, we present the BRI Smart Ecosystem, resolving the micro-banking trilemma through AI-driven Mentry Copilot and secure supply chain matching. Allow us to introduce the team behind this solution. Myself, Sakti Attila Aulebinta, along with my colleagues, Raihan Azil Abrar and Saifuddin. We believe that the true challenge in digital transformation is not just building software. It is intelligently integrating technology into existing human workflows. We are here to bridge the gap between technical innovation and scalable business strategy. Next slide is the challenge. One frontline force, three competing priorities. To understand our recommendation, we must first diagnose the fundamental friction point in BRI's current model. One frontline force, three competing priorities. BRI's 31,000 plus mentors are currently couched in a trilemma. They must balance capacity building, market access, and social value creation simultaneously. With finite time and attention, treating these objectives with equal weight leads to diminishing returns. Our metrics are currently overstretched, and as a result of the full potential of these 43,789 clusters remains untapped. Next slide is strategic insight. Our core insight is simple yet transformative. Capability without buyers doesn't grow a business. Many micro, small, and medium enterprises we mentor are technically capable, but they are geographically isolated from urban purchasing power. We are proposing a shift from being a credit provider to becoming an ecosystem orchestrator. By linking these micro, small, and medium enterprises to institutional buyers, we don't just increase their revenue, we decrease their credit profile, making them more sustainable borrowers. Unlike generic platform, our solution leverage our 31,000 plus mentors as a human in the loop intelligence, creating an uncopyable mode that pure digital players cannot replicate. Next slide is strategic recommendation. This leads us to our strategic recommendation, a rebalanced resource allocation model. To solve this trilemma, we propose prioritizing demand-side market access as the primary allocation of incremental resource. 60% to demand-side market development. This is our largest investment, focusing on buyer linkage networks, institutional procurement, and cluster aggregation. 25% to target supply side capability instead of a universal rollout. We focus mentoring and literacy programs only on enterprises with demonstrated growth potential and readiness for commercial integration. 15% to cluster level economic resilience. Here, we redefine social value, measuring it by sustainability and supply chain participation rather than a participation volume alone.
Right, the next is as the solution. To solve this allocation mismatch, we introduce the very smart ecosystem, an integrated decision support and market orchestration framework to build directly on the top of various exciting infrastructure. We are here to amplify efficiency, not replace that works. This ecosystem runs on the two core engines. The first is a Mantra Copilot, an AI system that analyzes data to recommend the highest impact information for every MSME. The second is automated demand matching engine, a system that aggregates fragmented MSMEs into supply network and connect them with the institutional buyers. We scale impact without adding operational complexity. The next is a smart allocation engine, Mantra Copilot. Managing a massive portfolio can overwhelm for nine agents. Mantra Copilot act as analytical lens, helping our managers prioritize their attention with mathematical precision by evaluating real-time signal from requirement performance to digital adoption. The AI eliminates guesswork and deliver for precise action. The first prediction is a financing expansion for high-performing enterprise to ready to scale. The second is a digitalization support to optimize operation. The third is a market linkage referral to push mature enterprise into commercial pipelines. The fourth is a business mentoring to build capacity to early stage cluster. The next slide is a automated demand matching engine. The second pillar is our automated demand matching engine, which redefines the micro supply chain. The biggest barrier for MSMES is not producing, is it is access to stable buyer. This engine supercharged where is cluster who initiative. It automatically aggregates independent producer into the unified supply network that meets institutional standards. By plugging them directly into institutional buyers like modern retailers and government procurement, we eliminate transaction friction and unlock commercial opportunities micro borrowers could never reach a lot. The next is how it works. How does it all work? It is a closed loop transformation pipeline. Data feeds the smart allocation engine. One a cluster its maturity, it trigger and demand matching engine to lock in the institutional contracts. Every rupiah spent on the mentoring or credit is tied to predictable demand. Mechanically, we have built an institutional grid architecture based on three pillars. The first pillar is a non-instructive integration. The second is a privacy serving AI. The last is a full compliance. The next slide is a business impact hypothesis. Ultimately, this technology drives undeniable economic value. We will validate three core business hypotheses during phase one. The first is a 20% to 25% increase on the operational efficiency, automating workflow to free up monetary bandwidth for high value risk management. The second is a 1.5x portfolio graduation multiplier, accelerating the rate of micro borrowers upgrading from subsidies core to commercial Kupedes loans. The last is our ecosystem revenue growth, unlocking incremental B2B transaction volumes across all 43,789 exciting business clusters. These targets are set for rigorous pilot validation.
Risk and mitigation strategy. Every innovation comes with risk, so we design mitigation strategies from the beginning. To increase monthly adoption, the AI only provides recommendation while mantras remain the final decision makers. For data quality, we start with pilot regions that have mature digital records and can continuously validate the model. To ensure buyer participation, we begin with governments procurement, and there is existing corporate partners. Finally, our privacy preserving AI architecture ensure full compliance with Indonesia data protection and financial regulation. Most importantly, there is greatest strength is its combination of over 30,000 mantras and AI, creating an competitive advantage that is difficult to replicate. Best implementation roadmap. To minimize implementation risk, we purpose a three-phase roadmap. Phase 1 focus on pilot validation through system integration, strategic MSME clusters, and initial buyer partnership. Phase 2 expands the ecosystem regionally by onboarding more clusters and buyers while improving the AI model. Finally, phase 3 scales the solution nationwide with full integration, advanced analytics, and long-term governance, creating a sustainable ecosystem for MSME growth. In conclusion, there is challenge today is no longer expanding credit alone, but ensuring that every financing decision creates sustainable business growth. The BRI Smart Ecosystem transforms BRI from a financing provider into an ecosystem orchestrator by combining AI-powered decision support with automated market access. This enables smart resource allocation, stronger MSME competitiveness, and long-term value for BRI and Indonesia economy. That concludes our presentation. Thank you very much for your attention. We truly appreciate this opportunity.